This
Have a good day everyone. Di video kali ini saya mau coba berbagi informasi ya, sedikit nggak banyak tentang proses menulis artikel ilmiah ya, mulai dari membuat folder, lalu mempersiapkan data-data, riset, referensi ya, mungkin analisis data kita skip ya, sampai merangkum ya. Ini yang saya lakukan sebagai seorang dosen tunanetra. Tahapannya tentu lebih panjang, prosesnya tentu lebih lama, tetapi ada bagian-bagian yang mungkin bisa juga bermanfaat bagi teman-teman non-disabilitas. Ya, buat mahasiswa saya, murid-murid saya dimanapun kalian berada, ya insya Allah siapa tahu ini bermanfaat juga buat kalian ya. Mungkin ada di antara kalian yang sudah menjadi peneliti, berpikir untuk lanjut S2, atau sedang S2, mencari cara yang lebih efektif untuk menulis dan sampai ke publikasi gitu barangkali. Ya, sebelumnya tolong di subscribe dulu ya. Ya nanti di like ya, share juga ya, biar semangat berbagi informasinya gitu ya. Oke, saya mulai aja. Pertama biasanya yang saya lakukan adalah saya membuat folder dulu.
This PC window. Items view list. Folders grouping expanded. 3D. Desktop row 1 column 2 to 11. Documents row 2 column. Documents. Tree view. Items view list. Adobe not selected 1 of 4. Visa Swat 2 of Raffles 11 of 44. Research 12 of 44. Items view list.
Saya sudah
All not selected 1 of 27.
folder research.
Ben Whitburn 2 of 27.
Misalnya saya mau bikin tema riset baru ya.
File tab drop down button grid submenu open new windows. Change of font. Quick access toolbar. New folder button create a new folder.
New folder.
Items view list. New folder edit selected new folder.
Misalnya tentang English teaching.
Selection removed. G-L-I-S-H. English. Space T-E.
Jangan.
E-T. Space. Space. C-L-I.
English classes in Jakarta before and during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Items view list. English classes in Jakarta before and during the COVID-19 pandemic 6 of 28. Inclusive. English classes in Jakarta before and during the COVID.
Ini ada
Context menu.
detik.
Properties of. Rename them. Research window.
Saya
Items view.
edit
English
terus
classes in Jakarta.
sedikit.
N-G-L-I-S-H space C-L-I-S-E-S.
Oke.
Classes. English classes in Jakarta before and during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Oke,
English classes in Jakarta before
folder
and during the
sudah
COVID-19
saya
pandemic 6 of 28.
buat, dan tahapan berikutnya biasanya saya ke Google Scholar ya, tempat favorit saya.
Start window. Search window.
Oke,
Level 1 Google Chrome.
Google Chrome.
Welcome to Pro Profiles. Document busy blank.
Ya, ada akun anak saya.
Open my profile button.
Jadi saya
Rename your profile.
mesti
More actions button. More actions. Open Tofik Effendi profile button.
akun
You
saya
have Google Chrome
dulu,
Tofik Effendi.
kemudian
S-A-O unselected.
ya ketik SCHO cukup. Nah itu karena sudah tersimpan, jadi tinggal langsung enter saja.
Scope. Selection removed. Document busy. Category edit blank.
Oke, misalnya
E-N-G-L-I-S-H.
English
S-S-E-S.
Class
Classes. I-N-in.
in
Jakarta.
Jakarta.
Jakarta. Google Sendikaya. Button.
Oke.
Evaluation lesson plan of English language learning in junior high schools. Surfing back. Utah West Jakarta. Analysis of questions. Evaluation lesson plan of English language learning in junior high schools. Surfing back. Utah. Analysis of questions used by English teacher at Jakarta. English teaching in Indonesia. Analysis of questions used by English teacher at Jakarta Intensive Learning Center. JILC. Evaluation lesson plan of English language learning in junior high schools. Surfing back. Utah West Jakarta.
Nah ini saya suka.
West Jakarta.
Kita ambil ini
1808. Aromat.
contohnya ya,
2019. Proceedings of the 2019 books.google.com.
2019. Nah ini tentu sebelum
This case English. HD 08. Aromat. 2019. Proceedings of the 2019 books.google.com.
sebelum pandemi.
This case English teacher in junior high school. Surfing back. Analysis of questions used by English teacher at Jakarta Intensive Learning Center. JILC. English teaching in Indonesia. Esther Jauh Yoho Journal. 2000 search Informative.org. English classes are not treated differently from other subjects. Analysis of English language teaching activities during COVID-19 pandemic at SMP Panama, Jakarta.
Nah ini
YF Safira, MS Hardy, Z Zaitan Journal of Languages Learned, 2021 e-journal.huntington.ac.
2021.
The writer discusses with one English teacher at SMP Panama. 2 grades. Button symbol menu button submenu Q-tip to carry out cycle type button.
Sudah dikutip 2
Analysis of English language
kali.
teaching activities during COVID-19 pandemic FSMP March Jakarta.
Oke, kita coba.
PDF untick.ac.id.
Ini ada PDF-nya, bisa langsung saja. Kita tunggu sebentar.
English classes in Jakarta Google Sendikai Google Chrome Taufik Effendi.
Mungkin ya kalian ya, murid saya, mahasiswa saya dimanapun kalian berada, meskipun sudah lulus dari mata kuliah saya, sudah lulus dari program S1 atau SMA atau SMP zaman dulu saya ngajar. Siapa tahu kalian juga penasaran ya, gimana sih tunanetra bekerja gitu.
English classes in Jakarta Google. Analysis of English language teaching activities. PDF untick.ac.id. Analysis of English language. PDF untick.ac.id. Analysis of English language teaching activities during COVID-19 pandemic FSMP. PDF untick.ac.
Belum bergerak rupanya. Kita tunggu dulu, mungkin harus di refresh.
Refreshed button.
Biasanya terkadang suka begini, suka butuh waktu.
Research window. Item. English classes in Jakarta Google Sendikai document button. Miranda button. Miranda. Television editing English class. Evaluation lesson plan of English language learning in junior high. Analysis of question. English teaching in Indonesia. Analysis of English language teaching activities during COVID-19 pandemic FSMP March Jakarta. PDF untick.ac.id.
Kalau belum
Analysis of English language.
Oke, kita coba
Document basic
buka
blank.
saja. Ternyata yang PDF langsungnya nggak terbuka halamannya.
Analysis of English language teaching activities during COVID-19 pandemic FSMP March Jakarta Journal of Languages and Language Teaching. Graphic page header. Analysis of English language teaching activities. PDF full paper.
Oke, nah PDF full paper.
Analysis of English language teaching activities during COVID-19 pandemic FSMP March Jakarta Journal of Languages and
Tadi saya tekan huruf U ya untuk ke link, jadi bisa langsung nemu yang full paper. Tapi nggak semua website itu aksesibel ya. Jadi kalau website yang aksesibel luar biasa. Karena kalau nggak, bayangin seperti kita mencari barang di hutan ya, mencari barang di hutan dengan mata tertutup. Coba bayangin. Jadi harus meraba-raba setiap jengkal gitu kan, setiap senti, dan luar biasa waktu yang dibutuhkan itu. Sedih ya, bisa lama sekali gitu. Kayak kita nyari barang di dalam tas kecil aja kan nggak bisa pakai mata tuh, kadang kita harus ngodok-ngodok deh bahasanya gitu kan, lama kan. Jadi ya mudah-mudahan ya website-website, portal-portal bisa aksesibel untuk screen reader gitu. Jadi kami terbantu, kalau enggak untuk hal sepele aja kita bisa menghabiskan waktu berjam-jam.
No next heading. Page header graphic. No previous heading. No previous 12,003. Citations user. Search.crossreef.org Q equals $. 2621 419229. Publication search text. Detail ID equals 5000. 26211. View. Subscribe. Journal help. Open journal systems. By issue. By author. By title. Other journals. Focus and scope. Publication ethics. Editorial team. Review. Open access policy. Screening plagiarism. Author guidelines. Online submission. Author fees. Contact. Abstracting/indexing. Journal history. License term. Flag counter. View stats equals 42. Stat counter free web tracker. View joel stats. View must equals sharing. www.grammarly. Atom logo graphic. RSS2 logo graphic. RSS1 logo graphic. For readers. For authors. For librarians. Print this article. Indexing metadata. How to cite item. Anxiety. COVID-19. Google Classroom. Grammar. Motivation. Online learning. Perception. Reading. Reading comprehension. Reading skills. Reading comprehension. Speaking. Speaking skill. Speaking skills. Speaking skill. Students teaching reading. Teaching writing. Vocabulary. Writing. Writing skills. Home. About. Login. Register. Search. Current. Archives.
Ini sudah pakai download this PDF file. Nah, ini baru ketemu download this PDF file.
Download 0% remaining alert. Download complete. 3,528 10,717 1 pb.pdf. Press Shift plus F6 to cycle to the downloads bar area. Alert.
Oke. Mungkin sudah, kita coba lihat.
This PC window. Items view list. Items view list. Folders grouping expanded. Documents row 2 column 1 3 of 11. Downloads row 2 column 2 4.
Okay.
Tree view. Items view list. Yesterday grouping expanded. Today grouping expanded. 3,528 10,717 1 pb by 206. Yesterday grouping expanded. 3,000 date modified at 22/03/2022 9:04 am read only row 1 date modified.
Ya benar. Hari ini biasanya langsung saya pindahin nih ke yang tadi.
Items view list.
Sudah disiapkan.
Documents row 2 column. Documents. Tree view. Items view list. Raffles level 44. Research 12. Items view list. All data set. EFL classroom management 5 of 28. English classes in Jakarta before and during COVID-19.
Jakarta. Oke.
Progress. English classes in Jakarta before and during the COVID-19 pandemic window.
Biasanya saya bikin folder yang PDF dan folder Word, karena untuk tunanetra kita bisa baca PDF, tapi tingkat aksesibilitasnya beda dengan Word dokumennya. Saya nggak bisa begitu luas atau fleksibel ya bernavigasi. Saya nggak bisa kasih bookmark, saya nggak. apa namanya, kadang untuk berpindah ya per paragraf atau per baris itu lebih mudah di Microsoft Word. Karena kalau di Microsoft Word kita juga bisa pakai sinonim antonim ya. Kadang ada beberapa terminologi yang mungkin saya baru tahu gitu.
English classes in Jakarta before and during 3,500. Date mode.
Oke. Ini biasa saya rename dulu nih biar saya tahu. Ini
Untitled profile. Loading complete.
apa
Embedded
sih?
object unavailable.
Karena kan kadang yang di download banyak banget ya.
Alert PDF document
Kalau
completed.
nggak langsung di rename teksnya banget.
HTTP email Joel DI HTTP April 2000 EISSN 23 EISSN PP 2 Joel Journal of Languages and Language Teaching Analysis of English Language Teaching Activities Analysis of English Language selected language select teaching select activity select during selected COVID selected 19 selected pandemic selected as selected SMP selected SMP as unselected pandemic selected copy to clipboard English language teaching activities during the English classes in Jakarta before and during the COVID-19 pandemic window items view list 3,500 context menu properties rename English classes in Jakarta selection removed space space blank
Jakarta.
English language teaching activities in West Jakarta 1 of 1.
Oke, biasanya saya bikin folder
File tab
lagi.
drop down button grid submenu quick access toolbar new folder button create a new items view list selection
PDF.
PDF.
Oke, jadi nanti yang
items view list
file PDF saya
English language teaching activities in West Jakarta 2 of 2.
Folder PDF.
Items view list.
Lalu kemudian biasanya saya kan ke Microsoft Word. Prosesnya ini saya buka. Oke. Lalu saya biasanya print, pilih print, tapi printnya nanti dengan open book ya, aplikasi untuk mengkonversi dari PDF ke Word document. Kita tunggu.
Welcome to OpenBook version 9.0 and read-only mode.
Jadi inilah prosesnya. Untuk satu artikel aja lumayan butuh waktu ya membacanya kan.
PISSN pages to an analysis of English language.
Saya kalau baca jurnal-jurnal yang baru, buku-buku yang baru gitu, saya bacanya lambat.
Analysis of English language teaching.
Kata biasanya saya bacanya per kata. Jadi ya bisa dibayangkan berapa lama waktunya gitu kan. Karena kadang kalau baca langsung begini sambil jalan.
Language.
Misalnya baca.
Language teaching activities during COVID-19.
Ya, jadi kalau baca dari awal dokumen sampai akhir dokumen kayak kita dengar audiobook, jelas berbeda ya, karena audiobook kan memang sebenarnya diperuntukkan untuk listening ya, karena kan ada intonasinya berbeda, penekanan berbeda. Apa ini kan yang membacakan robot ya, mesin, aplikasi gitu kan. Jadi dia tidak bisa memberikan tanda-tanda gitu, clue-clue gitu. Walaupun ini sudah jauh lebih baik daripada versi-versi sebelumnya. Nah, ini sudah selesai.
Page 7. Page bot.
Nah, biasanya saya lakukan adalah kemudian sudah kita tutup saja. Saya balik ke Google Scholar. Oke.
Document busy blank. English classes in Jakarta Google Sendikaya. YF Safira. Envision going to New York. Analysis of English language teaching activities during COVID-19 pandemic at SMP.
Nah, lalu saya pilih ke citasi ya.
MS Hardy.
Kutip.
Z icon. Simple button. Q-tip menu button sub menu.
Kutip menu.
Q-tip button battle.
Nah, ini biasanya di bagian apanya untuk referensi. Saya langsung copy. Jadi nanti saya nggak pusing-pusing lagi. Mungkin teman-teman sudah bisa pakai Mendeley ya, tapi saya belum belajar Mendeley karena itu kan aplikasi biasanya butuh waktu yang lumayan lama gitu untuk mempelajari aplikasi ya kalau buat saya. Jadi saya terbiasa dengan seperti ini aja dulu yang saya kerjakan. Oke, dapat. Lalu
OpenBook 9 page 1 top of
langsung copy
in edit mode top
di sini jadi nanti ketika butuh langsung
and read only mode. 5, 6 select a file to save. cap S, A, F, I, R, A, comma, space, cap Y, period, space, cap F, period, comma, space, cap H, A, D.
Nah, ini karena banyak
cap S,
authornya,
A, F.
Ya, karena authornya banyak, saya biasanya hanya yang first authornya saja saya pakai untuk
R,
file.
A, comma, selection, Y. Cap here, cosp, cap A, D, A, cosp, cap here, space, cap here, comma, space, and, cap A, A, T, U, N, cos, space, cap Z, here, space, left parent, 2, 0, 2, 1, right parent, period, space, A, N, cap N, cap, space, N, A, space, A.
Saya biasanya ambil yang penting-penting aja kata kunci.
N, space, cap, N, A, L, Y, S, I, S, space, O, F, space, 1, space, cap E, space, N, G, L, cap, D. Cap C, 1, cap P, A, N, D, E, N, I, C, space, cap A, I, N, space, cap E, S, E, space, cap J, A, K, A, R, T, A. Selection.
Kita hapus. Okay.
Files of type.
Pilih file type.
Word document. Login. Combo box library.
Okay.
Desktop. Listcon NetLive OneDrive. Listcon. Not
kita tinggal pilih
app data. Contact. Desktop document. Not select. Raffles research. Not selected all. EFL English classes. Not selected PDF. File save. Please note dialog. You have selected to save you in the dialog. Out of dialog. Document Sophia 2021 English language teaching activities during COVID.
Lalu kita tutup.
Please note dialog. In the dialog.
English classes into Google Send by Google Chrome Traffic. English classes into Google Send.
Lalu
PDF row 1 column 2.
Saya akan baca.
PDF window. Items view list. Items view list. PDF not selected 1 of 2. Sophia 2021 English language teaching activities during COVID-19 pandemic. Sophia 2021 English.
Baca dulu.
Opening word. Sophia 2021 English language. Sophia YF dot. Journal of language blank. PISSN blank. Analysis of English blank. UEF versus Sophia blank.
Nah, biasanya sambil baca ya. Kalau saya nggak lupa, kalau saya rajin, saya bisa langsung siapin juga nih Excel ya. Excel untuk rangkuman referensi yang saya baca. Saya buka.
Start window, search window, X. Excel 2006, Excel. Paint, Excel. Book 1 Excel, sheet 1 table, A1.
Saya save dulu.
Save as tab selected, save as alt, F,
Okay.
This PC tab selected, this PC alt, F, C. Last week grouping, Raffles button C, uses Tofic documents Raffles. Lesson plans button C, use older grouping. Downloads button C, uses Tofic downloads. All dataset button C, uses Tofic documents research all dataset.
All dataset.
BKB PTA 21. All dataset button C, uses Tofic documents research all dataset. Downloads button C, last week grouping. Lesson plans button C, Raffles button C, uses this PC tab selected, this PC alt, F, Save as tab selected, save as alt, F, This PC tab selected, this PC alt, F, C. Last week grouping. Lesson plans button C. Raffles button. This PC tab selected. This PC. Last week grouping. Raffles button C. Uses Tofic documents Raffles. Lesson plans button C. Raffles buttons. This PC tab selected. This last lesson. Older grouping. Downloads button C. Uses Tofic downloads.
Taruh di sini aja dulu, di downloads kan.
Sheet 1 table. A1. Book 1 Excel.
Belum di save. Rename. Sorry. Diulang.
Save as tab selected. Save as alt. This PC tab selected. This PC alt. F, C. Current folder grouping. Downloads button C. Today grouping. Downloads button C. Uses Tofic downloads.
Okay.
Save. Save as type. File name. Combo box collapsed.
File name. Summary. Biasanya saya.
Selection removed. U. M.
Summary
F.
of
G. F. H. English. C. S. S. E. S.
classes
in
in Jakarta. Ini disesuaikan aja namanya. Oke.
Summary of English classes in Jakarta Excel. Sheet 1 table. A1.
Selesai biar nggak lupa.
Summary of English classes in Jakarta.
Saya pindahin dulu filenya. Ini kan tadi ada di download.
English classes in Jakarta. English classes in Jakarta. Research row 1. Research window. Items view.
Itu karena saya belum tahu
items view list. Folders grouping expanded.
Cara cari file.
Downloads row 2 column 2 4 of 11. Tree view. Items view list.
Ini saya belum lama ganti ke Windows 10 ya. Jadi banyak hal-hal baru yang saya belum terbiasa.
Summary of English. Book 1 of 207. Book 1 of 207. Summary of English. Book 1 of 207.
Kita hapus saja.
Delete file dialog space. Press. Downloads window. Yesterday grouping. Today grouping expanded. Summary of English classes in Jakarta 1.
Oke. Nah, ini kita pindahin.
Items view list. Folders grouping. Documents row 2.
Oke.
Documents. Raffles 11. Research 12. Items view. E. EFL Classroom Manage E. English classes in Jakarta. Items view list.
Nah,
Summary of English classes in Jakarta 3 of 3.
oke.
Safari 2000. Summary of English classes in Jakarta 3 of 3. Pane. Summary of English classes in Jakarta Excel. Sheet 1 table. A 1.
Nah,
A 2.
biasanya saya langsung
A 3.
buat references.
Ed E. F E R N C E S. Sheet 1 table.
Terus,
References overflowing. A 4.
misalnya
B S T R O C T.
abstract.
S.
Jadi
Sheet 1 table. References overflow. Abstracts a 4. A 5.
methodology.
Edit item edit E.
Kadang nggak perlu sih.
Sheet 1 table. MIA 5. Abstract
Cuman
MIA 5.
pakai aja deh.
Edit item edit E. T H O D O L G O
Nah,
O
sorry.
G L O D D O L O G Y.
Biar kita tahu metodologinya apa.
Sheet 1 table.
Terus kadang
Methodology overflowing a 6.
important findings.
Edit item T O R T O T important F I D I N G S.
Findings.
Sheet 1 table.
Lalu
Important findings a 7.
gap ya, research gap. Research limitations deh ya biasa.
I M I T T I O N S.
Limitations, oke.
Sheet 1 limitations overflowing.
Saya kadang masih suka gonta-ganti nih.
References overflowing.
Nah, ini tadi references-nya yang
B3.
udah nggak ada. Oke.
English classes in Jakarta before and during COVID-19. English classes in Jakarta before and during COVID-19 pandemic. PDF not. Safari 2021. Safari 2020. Blank. Corresponding author email. Zaitan. Blank.
Nah, karena
Safira
tadi
YF. Hardy. Journal of
sudah
Safira YF. Hardy. Safira YF.
di copy jadi kita gampang kan. Oke, tinggal
English classes in Jakarta before and during COVID. Summary of English classes in Jakarta Excel row 1 column. Summary of references overflowing 3. B3.
Nah, taruh dari sini.
Safira YF. Hardy. MS. And Zaitan.
Oke,
References cropped. Safira YF.
kita save dulu.
References cropped.
Baru kita baca deh.
Abstracts 4. B4.
Ya.
Safira YF.
Namanya
Hardy.
siapa nih? Safira.
Edit item edit edit. Safira O F I R O comma Y dot
Safira.
F dot Hardy M dot S dot
Hardy.
and Zaitan.
Safira et al.
Z dot
aja.
2021 dot
2021. Oke.
references cropped 3. Reference
Lalu mulai
Safira 2021 English language teaching. Safira 2000.
baca ya.
Page 1 section 1 journal blank. PISSN 2338 blank. An analysis of it blank. UE refers to Safira to Muhammad Sophie blank. Corresponding author email Zaitan dot blank. Article info abstract blank. Article history. This study was led to know the activities of English teaching during the COVID received February 2021-19 pandemic at SMP Panama, Jakarta. This study utilized a qualitative revised March 2021 descriptive method, while the information assortment methods utilized interviews, published April 2021 observation and documentation. Interviews were led with an English teacher keywords who teaches at SMP Panama, Jakarta, while polls were given to a few students English teaching activities at SMP Panama, Jakarta. The subjects of this investigation were in English teaching techniques, teacher and a few students at SMP Panama, Jakarta. The outcomes show that technology enabled bullet learning during the pandemic is way different from the regular learning in blank person that was done before the COVID-19 pandemic. The distinction that can be seen is that the instructional frame.
Begitu tuh, jadi paragrafnya belum selesai, tapi itu langsung kepotong ya. Kadang saya masih harus ngebener-benerin, ngeditin biar enak dibacanya.
Carriage return, space, dash.
Ya begitu tuh. Jadi ada kerjaan tambahan ya, sambil baca sambil ngedit.
In person. Right
Ya,
parent.
kan kalau gini enak.
That.
Kita baca
Article history. This
dulu.
study was led to know the activities of English teaching. History. This.
Yes, nah ini harus diedit lagi di enter biar
Article
enak bacanya. Artikel history.
This study was led to know the activities of English teaching during the COVID received February 2021-19 pandemic at SMP Panama, Jakarta. This study utilized.
Nah, tuh ketahuan ya, kegabung tuh. Jadi bukan bagian dari abstrak tapi kegabung. Contohnya tadi
Article history.
artikel history kegabung sama abstrak. Nah, this study was led to know activities of English teaching during the COVID. Habis COVID langsung kegabung sama receive.
February.
Receive itu status proses publikasinya ya. Gitu. Jadi ya beginilah nasibnya tunanetra. Jadi ketika kita mengkonversi ini orang-orang awas nih, kita adalah korban orang-orang awas yang senangnya itu pakai kolom-kolom, ya senangnya pakai tab-tab, ya gitu, disusun secara horizontal. Padahal kalau layout secara horizontal itu buat tunanetra itu membingungkan, dikonversi atau tidak, biasanya dibacanya jadi kegabung gitu. Nah akhirnya kalau begini nih benar-benar buang-buang waktu ngedit. Anyway, nggak apa-apa lah. Nah, ini kita pindahin.
2019 pandemic 19 received February 2020 received February 2020.
Kita cut aja ke atas.
This study was led article history.
Oke, taruh di sini.
Space 9 feet.
Sip.
Article history received February 2000 blank. This study was led to know the activities of English teaching during the COVID. Data grid, paste options, grouping. This study was led 19 pandemic at SMP Panama, Jakarta. This study utilized a qualitative revised March 2021 descriptive method, while the information
Tuh
assortment
ada
methods
March
utilized
lagi di situ.
1 B C space C V 1 D D space COVID D
Huruf besar semua ini.
COVID-19 pandemic at SMP Panama Jakarta this study utilized
Study utilize qualitative. Nah, tuh ada revise di situ. Jadi status publikasinya kegabung di dalam abstrak. Beginilah nasibnya tunanetra. Kita edit lagi.
March 2000 descriptive method descriptive revised March 2000 revised March 2021 selected.
Jadi semoga nih teman-teman para editor, para penulis buku, ya tolong pertimbangkan kami yang tunanetra.
This study was led to blank. Article history received February 2 blank.
Kita taruh aja di sini.
Revised March blank. This study was led to no active. Descriptive methods while the information assortment data grid paste options grouping. This study was descriptive method while the information assortment methods utilized interviews published character return space E qualitative descriptive method comma while the information assort.
Okay.
This study was led to no activities of English teaching during COVID-19 pandemic. This study utilized a qualitative descriptive method while the information assortment methods utilized interviews published April 2021 observation and documentation. Interviews were led with an English teacher keywords who teaches at SMP Panama Jakarta, while polls were given to a few students English teaching activities at SMP Panama Jakarta. The subjects of this investigation were in English teaching techniques, teacher and a few students at SMP Panama Jakarta. The outcomes show that technology in bullet learning during the pandemic is way different from the regular learning in person that was done before the COVID-19 pandemic. The distinction that can be seen is that the instructional framework, which was initially up in person, turned out to be totally internet or technology based by utilizing Google Meet, Google Classrooms, WhatsApp, YouTube, and other applications. Blank. How to cite Safira YF. Hardy M. Blank.
Oh, padahal ada nih how to cite-nya. Tapi seringkali ya itu seringkali berantakan layoutnya gitu. Jadi saya prefer pakai cara Google Scholar. This study was led to know the activities of English teaching. Activities of English teaching. Oke. Jadi fokusnya ke English teaching. The study utilized the qualitative descriptive method. While the information assortment method utilized interviews. Nah, ini ada publish, ada status publikasi juga. Pantesan tadi bingung.
April selected. 2021 selected. Observation selected. Observation unselected.
Kita cut lagi.
Blank. Revised March 2000 blank.
Begitulah.
Published April. Blank. How to cite Safira blank. Blank. Data grid. Paste options grouping. Published April 2000. This study was led to no active blank. How to cite Safira YF. Blank.
Lah.
This study was led to no active. Published April 2021.
Mana
this study was led to no activities of English teaching during COVID-19 pandemic at SMP Panama Jakarta. This study utilized a qualitative descriptive method, while the information assortment methods utilized interviews, observation, and documentation. Interviews were led with an English teacher keywords who teaches at SMP Panama Jakarta, while polls were given to a few students English teaching activities at SMP Panama Jakarta. The subjects of this investigation were in English teaching techniques, teacher and a few students at SMP Panama Jakarta. The outcomes show that technology in bullet learning during the pandemic is way different from the regular learning in person. SMP Panama Jakarta. This study utilized a qualitative descriptive method, while the Jakarta. Study.
Qualitative descriptive method ya.
Information assortment methods.
Datanya itu interviews.
Interviews.
Metodenya.
Interviews. Observation.
Ini datanya dari interviews, observation, dan dokumentasi. Oke.
Interviews. Were led.
Saya copy dulu biasanya.
Method. Descriptive. Qualitative. Utilized. Study. This.
Study. Utilized. Qualitative.
Methods. While selected. Selected.
Information. Methods.
Interview selected.
Interviews. Observation.
Documentation.
Ya, mungkin lama-lama prosesnya, tapi ini namanya active listening and reading.
References got 3. References got abstracts of 4. Methodology overflowing of 5.
Saya taruh sini.
B5.
Oke.
This study utilized a qualitative descriptive method. Data grid.
Kalau satu mungkin nggak terlalu kelihatan manfaatnya, tapi kebayangin kalau referensinya sampai 50 bahkan 100-an gitu.
Methodology got. This study utilized
Jadi ringkasannya sangat membantu sekali.
Safira 2000.
Jadi nanti kita nggak mungkin kan baca buka artikel ini berulang-ulang gitu. Hanya sekali saja tapi detail, lalu kemudian bisa berlanjut ke artikel yang lain.
Page 1 word led with an English teacher keywords teacher
lah
English teacher keywords who teaches who keywords
keywords
teaches at SMP
at keywords
information assortment methods utilized interviews observation and documentation. Interviews were led with an English teacher keywords who teaches at SMP Jakarta at who keyword teacher English and with led
led with an English teacher keywords. Jangan-jangan tuh ini keyword harusnya nggak ada di sini. Aduh.
Keywords.
Harusnya di posisi yang berbeda nih.
Who teaches at teacher who keyword teacher English teacher keyword teacher keywords
kita hapus saja nih.
Teacher English.
teacher who
Teaches.
teaches
SMP.
at
Panama.
SMP
Jakarta.
Panama, Jakarta.
Polls. Were.
While polls were given
Few.
to a
Students.
few
English.
students. Nah,
English. Students.
to
Few.
students.
English.
Ini English teaching
Activities.
activities bukan bagian dari ini nih, itu tadi keywords itu. Jadi membingungkan kan kalau baca langsung satu paragraf.
English. Students. Few.
Halah.
Few. Students. English.
Nah, dihapus.
Activities.
Oke.
Students. Few. Students. Semi. Space. Semi. At. SMP. At. Semi.
Pada saya
Space.
Alan.
Space. 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 Students. At. Space. 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 Space.
Oh.
Space. Students. U. E. N. T. S. Space.
Banyak tab. Ini ada tab.
S. Space. Students.
Students at
SMP. Panama. Jakarta. Dot. The subjects of
the subjects
investigation.
of
Were.
this investigation
Were. English.
were
Teaching.
English.
Techniques.
Ah,
Teacher. And. Few. And.
tuh, see,
Techniques. Teaching. English.
ini
Investigation. This. Of. Subjects.
the subjects of this
Investigation.
investigations were
English. Teaching. Techniques.
an English teaching
Semi.
technique,
Teacher. And. Few.
teacher,
Students
and a
at
few students.
Panama. Jakarta. Dot. The outcomes.
The outcomes
That. Show.
show
Technology. In.
technology in
Bullet.
ELT.
Learning.
Hah?
Bullet. Alt.
In
In. Alt.
ELT
Bullet.
langsung bullet tuh kan, ini
Learning.
bukan bagian. Aduh,
Bullet. Alt.
pusing
In.
kan?
Technology. That.
Show that technology
Alt. Bullet.
in
Learning.
ELT
Pandemic. The. During.
during
Learning.
Aduh.
Zero two. Bullet. Learning. Bullet. Alt. Bullet. Bullet selected.
Bullet tuh
L.
dihapus
Learning.
ya during
E. Space. LT. In. Technology. In. LTL. Learning. LTL. L. T. L. Space. Alt. In. Technology. That. Show. That. Technology. In.
in
Alt.
ELT.
L. During. The. Pandemic. Is. Wait.
Ya, well, itulah ya, karena ini sudah mau mati daripada nanti repot digabung, ya itulah sedikit prosesnya. Nanti kemudian biasanya saya baca, lalu kemudian kalau ada yang penting, terus kemudian saya
Summary of
masukin
English classes into Jakarta X.
ke sini.
Methodology.
Misalnya, oh ini tentang teaching technique. Nah, saya coding di sini.
E. C. A. N. I. Q. U. E.
Teaching techniques. Terus
Sheet 1 table.
misalnya siapa si Safira umpamanya. Saya langsung ketik
Edit type F.
Safira et al. 2021. Lalu ininya quotationsnya biasanya langsung saya ketik di sini. Gitu deh. Dan seterusnya. Jadi begitu, yang semoga yang sedikit ini bermanfaat ya buat teman-teman. Tolong di subscribe ya, di like dan share sekalian. Boleh juga kasih komentar di bawah biar membantu sebagai bentuk dukungan ya untuk perkembangan